It's your new everyday essential. At the office, in the car, or anywhere in between, this little machine gets it all. This is a 70-watt foldable handheld vacuum is compact, yet powerful. With the 2-in-1 brush nozzle, it cleans every tight corners and hard-to-reach spots effortlessly. Its 5,000 Pascal suction handles dust like a pro, without the bulk. And when you're done, just rinse the washable HEPA filter and it's ready for next time. Keep your space spotless. Get yours now. Only at Gallery Mart. Download the app.